In this video we look at docstrings, a simple way to explain what your Python functions do, right inside the code itself. A docstring is just a special string sitting at the very top of a function. It documents the function so that you and others can understand it at a glance. Think of a medicine bottle. The label tells you what it does, what goes in, and what to expect. A docstring does exactly the same thing for your function. We start by defining a function called add that accepts two parameters, a and b. Immediately after the def line we open triple quotes. Everything inside until the closing triple quotes is the docstring. We describe what the function does, what each input is, and what it returns. After the docstring we write the real function logic. The docstring does not affect what the function does, it only documents it. We call the function normally on line 10, then on line 11, we pass the function name to help. Python will print the docstring straight to the screen. The first line of output is 7, the result of adding 3 and 4. Then help prints the docstring so anyone reading the code or using the function knows exactly how it works. Remember, a docstring lives right under def, uses triple quotes, and explains what the function does, what goes in, and what comes out. Any tool that calls help will show it automatically.